Hi everyone, it's me again, and we've got another Lick Friday coming up in just a second. But before we jump into that, please do consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the bell button, liking this video and commenting below with anything you would like to see on this channel. Not necessarily Lick Fridays, but it could be anything to do with jamming, gear reviews, whatever you would like to see. That would be fantastic. And just come along and say hi. If you want a tab, it's on my website dansguitar.com, linked below. If you want a jamming track, I think that's on the Patreon page, but there is a smaller version of it at the end of this video for you guys to jam along with, just in case you don't want to subscribe and support the Patreon thing. That is all fine. And if you want the Patreon, visit Patreon, linked up there and down below. That's all of that out of the way. Let's get on with the lick coming up just now. Right, so yeah, it's speedy. It's got a little bit of speed in there. So 6 tuplets, and you've kind of ending up with a nice melodic area at the end of it with some blues curls. Now, blues curls are really important for flavour in playing. I'll explain that when I give you the breakdown, but it is really important. So please take note of where they come in. So on the tab, they're indicated with like a quarter bend. And if you're interested in how to bend properly, then there is a video of that on my YouTube channel. Please go and find it. Also, please do remember, after the breakdown and the little bit where I'm back at the end saying bye, you've got the jamming track for you just to jam along with. But if you do want that full version, it's on the Patreon page on the jamming zone, where I upload jamming tracks once a month, twice a month, something like that. It usually equates to about 12, 14 a year, something. And they're all great quality tracks as well, good fun to play over, just like this track, and you'll enjoy it. I guarantee you'll enjoy it. So there you go. If you want that, just come along, do whatever you need to do to get on that system. Patreon.com/dance page. Nice one. Right, breakdown is coming up right now. It goes like this. We have first 3 notes, so you kind of got 1, 2, 3 patterns of 3 little triplets taken into sextuplets, which is going to be 1 beat. So with this, you're going to need to find a way to make it work, and that is by using hammer-ons, pull-offs in places where you may find that the pick might not work as well as it could do. So we have 15 pull-off to 13, and then 14 on that 3rd string. 15, 13 2nd string, 14 3rd string. Then you've got another 3-note pattern of 12 1st string, and then 15, 13 again 2nd string pull-off. So you should end up with... Now sometimes I don't quite manage to hit that 13th fret, so don't worry about it. If you don't, you can almost have a dead note just to help you out on that. You don't really notice it that much, but have a look back at the video and then you'll see how many times I do miss it, or how many times I hit it would be better. So, and then we've got the next beat coming up is the 15 pull off to the 12 on the 1st string, going to the 15 on the 2nd string. So then we've got 17 12 pull off, and then 15 on that 2nd string. So back to the 15 pull off to 13, and then 12 15 13 for that one. So you get 3 patterns so far. Okay. That's your next bit. So you've got that little section there, which is the 15, 13, 14, 13, and then a bend on the 15th fret 2nd string with the 15th fret underneath. So you can do these separate, or you could have them both ringing out, like, give you different dynamic or different tonal qualities to that you may find useful. And then as you come away from that bend, 15, 13, pull off. And then to 14 on that third string, so the G. So, and then this is the blues scale part. So really important. Instead of it sounding like, which is fine, it's just a bit dead. So that I like. That flavours it up, gives it a bit of salt and pepper, makes it sound good. And that's the end of your lick. Slow it down for you now. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to me, is it? It is. Right, so thanks very much for sticking with the video and coming this far. Hope you learned this lick well, and within that lick you've got all those micro licks, so you've just got patterns reoccurring through a pentatonic scale. We are in the key of A, so you can use the A minor pentatonics over the top, or the shapes of the A minor pentatonic, but technically we've got like a mixed Lydian or an A major type thing going on, but you wouldn't use the A major pentatonics. Oh no, because they're not going to quite work the same as they should do. But anyway, there we go. Tab, linked down there. Patreon, both again. Easy for me to say. Subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment below with anything you'd like to see. I'll bid you farewell. See you next time. See you later, everyone. Bye.